Hello everybody, here's your Core Bites number 92. So for the first one it says, the ball team wants to sell $2,225 worth of tickets. If each ticket costs $9, how many tickets do they need to sell? So you've got to set it up and do a division problem. You're dividing your total, 2,225, by $9, putting it into groups. So 2,225 divided by 9. You can't do 9 times anything to give you 2, so you're going to have to go to the next biggest number. So 9 times something to give you 22. So you could do 9 times 2, because 9 times 2 gives you 18. Then you would subtract. So 12 minus 8 would give you 4. Bring down your 2. All right, we know that 9 times 5 is 45. That's too much, so you could do 9 times 4. 9 times 4 would give you 36. Then subtract that. 12 minus 6 gives you 6. Bring down your 5. Okay? Now you know that 9 times 7 is 63. 65 minus 63 is 2. So you would have a remainder of 2. So if you want to reach that total and you didn't because you had a remainder, you're going to have to round up. So you're going to have to round up to 248 tickets to get that total amount. Okay? For the next one, we are comparing. So we have greater than, less than, or equal to. So 4 tens would give us 40. That is less than 390. 40 compared to 39 ones. That's saying 40 compared to 39. So 40 is greater than 39 ones. And then 700 would be 700. Which is greater, 70 tens. So if you have 70 tens, remember that trick. 7 times 1 is 7. Add your 2 zeros. So that's actually the same number. So that would be equal. Okay? And then for number 3, which number would help make that true? And so we've been doing this a lot with your fractions. So we know that 8 times 5 gives us 40. So 7 times 5 is 35. So your answer would be 35. And then for measurement, how many centimeters are in 1 meter? So the answer for that would be 100 centimeters are in 1 meter. So that you just have to study your metric system. And then for your last one, which describe the shape? Okay, so it is slanted. We do have 2 sets of sides that are congruent. So let's see. Okay, it's not a rectangle because it is slanted, right? So it can't be that, but it is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, and it is a parallelogram because it has 2 sets of parallel sides. So it could be A and B. Okay, so check yours, guys.